Welcome to Madhu's Plates YouTube cooking channel. Today we are going to make fruit salad. These are my favorite: pineapple, mango, banana, papaya and plums. First you have to wash your fruit well. I have already done it. Now you can peel and chop the fruit into the bite-sized pieces. There are so many fruit you can add: grapes, berries, apples. You can add any fruit. Eating fruit salad, you can get high vitamins and minerals. Fruits are an excellent source of dietary fiber too. Fruits are rich in antioxidants. Do you know many fruit have high water content? I like fruit salad very much because fruit salad are generally low calories and fat. Pineapple smell is very good. Peel it well. Place all chopped fruit in a large mixing bowl. I add lime juice. Combine fruit by using 2 spoons. Add sugar. You can add honey instead of sugar. Mix again. Add plums. Oh God, I forgot salt. We have to add salt. Mmm, we made it. Now time to eat. Ice cream. It will be very tasty. I will add plums to get nice look. Wow, it's very tasty. You can try this. Guys, this is very healthy plate. You can make it very easily. Do you like my video? Please subscribe and like. Bye bye. See you again.